Hi there, I'm Amy Kaiser and I'm the Habitat Enhancement Program Manager at the San Mateo Resource Conservation District. And I'm here today at an active restoration site where we're creating the perfect conditions for two species at risk of extinction, the San Francisco garter snake and the California red-legged frog. We're going to head on down to the wetland in a minute here and I'm going to tell you what we're up to. We've dug out a deep water pond, and this is going to be a place for the frogs to dive down and seek refuge, and it's also, being deeper, going to hold water for a longer period of the year so that as things maybe dry up certain years, this will retain water much longer. Over here on the right is a wetland bench. It's going to be a great place for the frog to breed. We have a basking bench for San Francisco garter snake, so a place where they can hang out in the sun and then come down and eat some frogs. We're also doing some improvements in the upland to restore historical grassland. And so this project is benefiting our local native species as well as active cattle grazing on the site. And so the cattle use this pond for water, and this is going to be better water security for them when in the deeper pond in times of drought. And they're also going to have more grass to eat in the summer. There are two additional shallow ponds, what we call sediment retention berms, and that's going to help our pond stay deep longer and not fill in. Thanks for listening. Hope you enjoyed it.